S&P. Saturday, everyone, let's get into what happened because it was another wild day across markets. Gold crashed under $4,500 and is set for its biggest weekly fall since 1983, which is a move nobody saw coming given how strong the precious metals trade has been. $1 trillion was wiped from the US stock market. The S&P 500 fell another 1.5%, bringing its total decline from the January peak to 7.6%, and the chance of a US recession this year climbed to 37%. Perhaps the most alarming signal is that the bond market is now pricing in a higher probability of a Fed rate hike by year end than a rate cut, which is a complete reversal from the multiple cuts everyone expected at the start of 2026. The US national debt has increased by $2.8 trillion since the debt ceiling was raised last July, so the fiscal picture continues to deteriorate. On the Iran front, there's a glimmer of hope. Trump said the US is very close to ending military operations against Iran. The US issued a license allowing the sale of some Iranian oil, and Trump stated the US doesn't use the Strait of Hormuz and doesn't need it, which is a clear attempt to downplay the energy disruption. Now, on the crypto side, the regulatory momentum is really picking up. The CFTC announced that futures commission merchants can accept Bitcoin as margin collateral, which is a massive step for institutional Bitcoin adoption. The odds of Bitcoin and crypto market structure legislation getting signed into law this year surged above 69%. And key US senators reached an agreement with the White House to resolve the crypto stablecoin yield dispute with banks, which has been one of the biggest roadblocks for the industry. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said Bitcoin will help preserve US dollar dominance, and Grayscale filed for a HYPE ETF tracking Hyperliquid, the largest on-chain perpetuals exchange, which is a big validation for that ecosystem. Supermicro computer shares came under pressure following charges related to alleged illegal exports of AI servers to China. In altcoin news, Ethereum is currently sitting 57% below its all-time high. The Solana Foundation president said gaming on a blockchain is not coming back. And the Hawk 2R girl Hayley Welch finally broke her silence on her meme coin that crashed 95% hours after launch, saying she wasn't controlling the coin. That's your Saturday recap. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.